Today we will learn ground state term. How can we calculate the ground state term? There is a term used to calculate the ground state term is the 2s plus 1 Lj. 2s plus 1 is the spin multiplicity, s is the total spin quantum number, L is the total orbital angular momentum. So we can say that for s total spin angular momentum, and j is the total spin orbital angular momentum. S, capital S is the known as total spin orbital, total spin quantum number, because it ranges from, if there are the two electron, the value of S will range from S1 plus S2 to minus S1 minus S2. Similarly, the resultant total orbital angular momentum value will range from L1 plus L2 to minus L1 minus L2. uh, j value value will range from L plus S to L minus S. If we consider how can we calculate the ground state term, if we consider a P2 configuration, there are the two electron. So the value of S will range from 1 0 minus 1, and the value of, so if we look the value of J, it will range from 2 to 0. L plus S to L minus S to 210. The term symbol for this will be 3P. 3 by 3, this is 2S plus 1 3, and the term is P. Why it is known as a P? If we look at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The value of L, if this, then the term will be right like this: S, P, D, F, G, H, I, J, so and so on. So the term will be 3P. Now, if we consider the P4 system, this is more than half filled system. P2 कैसा था? P2 was the less than half filled. P4, 0 plus 1 minus 1. The value of S, how many electron? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the value will be, we can see here, this is the clockwise, this is anticlockwise, this will cancel each other. Again, there are only the two electrons, the value will be 1, 0, minus 1. Two S plus 1 will be 3, or 2s plus 1. If we write the value of s is 0, then it is 1. The value of L, this is 1 and 1, 2, 0 minus 1. Again 2 minus 1, L will be 1. The term will be P. What will be the ground state term for the P4? Again it is the 3P. The value of J, this will be L plus S. But the value of J, we know very well, will range from L plus S to L minus S. J will be 220 or 210. To further splitting, we can write this 3P 012. This is the value of J, 012. If the orbital is more than half filled, then the ground state term is that term for which the J value is high. If the configuration is less than half filled, then the ground state term will be the that which has the J value minimum. So for P2, there are the system 3P. For P2 configuration, there are the terms are 3P, 1D, 1S, and for D2 system, I will show further. There are the terms 3F, 3P, 1D, 1G, 1S. There is a rule. How can we further know which one, if there are more than one terms, which one is the ground state term? According to Hund's rule, the ground state term is that term for which the spin multiplicity is maximum. Second, if two terms have the same maximum spin multiplicity, then that term will be the ground state for which the value of L is larger. When the subshell is less than half filled, then the J L minus S will be the ground state term, and for more than half filled, J have L plus S higher will be the ground state term. If we see the P3 system, which is exactly half filled, what will be the case? What will happen? 1 0 minus 1, S will be 3 by 2, 1 1, half half half, S will be 3 by 2, and this value of S will range from 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and minus 3 by 2. 2S plus 1, if we put the value of S will be the 4. If we put value half, then 2 into half plus 1 equal to 2. So there are the two value of 2s plus 1, 4 and 2. For L, 1, 0 minus 1. So this will cancel out. L will have the value 0. For this is the S term. Though we can write the ground state term for this is the 4s, and the value of J, L plus S to L minus S, 0 plus S value is 3 by 2 to 0 minus 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 to 3 by 2. So only the 3 by 2, only one value. So ground state term 4S 3 by 2. Okay. This is the ground state term for the P system. Similarly, we can calculate the ground state term for the D electronic configuration D1 to D10. How can we further one remain the question in the mind of student, how what is the microstate chart? So in next video I will teach you the microstate chart.